We just had a message from the Mind charity in Abingdon. Their cooker's broken, so we chucked the range in the back of the van. We're ready to go. The army are waiting there to cook. There are 60 people coming there for lunch today. Christmas lunch. We can't let them down. John, let's go.
So today is the Christmas meal. The Abingdon team always put on a really good Christmas meal. So we've got service users here. We've got the army who've come in from Dalston Barracks. They're doing some cooking for us. We're also taking the opportunity to thank Smeg, who've donated an oven to our kitchen. And we've also got, remarkably, Scott Quinnell, Welsh rugby legend, British and Irish Lion, and he's got an apron on and he's doing some cooking in the kitchen, which is a wonderful experience for us to have someone like him come and visit us here today.
Smeg are a local company based here in Abingdon, and we love to work with the community as much as possible. And of course, we make great cookers. So the two things came together perfectly.
We're from the local regiments. There's 2 regiments locally. A lot of our lads come down and visit Oxfordshire Mind, and we're here to sort of give a little bit back of what they help us with. So we're here to cook a Christmas dinner.
Well, what a day. We got the cooker in, everybody was happy, they had a fantastic time at the Mind charity Christmas lunch. And wherever you are this year, please have a fantastic Christmas and a happy New Year. We'll see you in 2019.